Most teams pick wrong between these two. Here's how to decide. Large language models have two distinct gaps. The first is stale knowledge. Training data has a cutoff and new documents are invisible to the model. RAG solves that. The second gap is wrong behavior. The model sounds too generic for your domain. That's where fine-tuning comes in. Retrieval augmented generation. Chunk and embed your documents into a vector database. When a query arrives, embed it, retrieve the top matching chunks, and inject them into the prompt. The model answers grounded in live retrieved context. No retraining needed. Update the index, not the weights. And every answer is traceable to a source. Fine-tuning updates the model's weights on your own data. Curate instruction response pairs. Run gradient updates. Most teams use LoRA, which updates only a small fraction of weights. Validate on a held-out set, then deploy. The result? A model that speaks your domain's language, with behavior baked directly into its weights. Head-to-head. Knowledge. RAG retrieves live data. Fine-tuning is frozen. Cost. RAG skips training. Fine-tuning costs upfront. Latency. RAG adds retrieval. Fine-tuning gives fast inference. Traceability. RAG cites sources. Fine-tuning is opaque. Behavior. RAG stays generic. Fine-tuning adapts to your domain. Neither wins. Match the tool to the... Choose RAG when your data changes frequently. News feeds, product docs, policies updated daily. When you need source citations for compliance, legal, or medical use cases. When you have no training budget or timeline. And when your knowledge base is too large to bake into weights. Choose fine-tuning when you need a specific output style. Medical reports, legal briefs, structured code. When response speed is critical. When you have clean, labeled examples. And when you need consistent, repeatable outputs. RAG for knowledge, fine-tuning for behavior. Subscribe.